That thing was right up to the windows there. Came out yesterday. 2 times we had to come out, otherwise we would never got it. Man, we must have got about 2.5 foot of snow, if not more. And now the wind picked up, and it's really coming down. And there's the lot. There was a sign over there, probably under about 3 feet of snow. And there's some people that you wouldn't think they'd be out today, but they are. Hi, Carol. How do you like this weather?
I hate it. I wish I was back in Florida.
Well, you don't want to be there. It's pretty bad down there.
Nah, it's not as bad as here.
Tornadoes, they got everything down there.
Not where I was.
Oh, okay. I tell you, I hope we don't have another one like this.
I hope not. Something to tell your grandchildren about.
Yeah, well, I'm putting it down with Chad's pictures here. Yeah, and there took me about 3 hours to do this. And believe it or not, my snow blower went on me the first time snow came about 3 weeks ago. Believe it or not, 12 years I've had it, no problem, and then it comes. I tell you, when the kids were little and there was this much snow, they'd be out here making that fort right in the front, right there in front of the porch. Into the picture here. Hi. Here's what I can do the best with right here. Boy, oh my back. Look at that. I think I'll move to Florida. I'm getting sick of this weather here. How's it going in there? And don't you know, I started the car back there, warmed it up. I left it for about 20 minutes and it overheated on me. All my antifreeze came out. The wind is picking up a little bit. I'm gonna go back in. That's the backyard. We haven't seen this much snow here in 10 years. That fence is about 8 foot high, and it's got some snow right to the top almost. And there's the sun coming out.